Today we are going to learn retrocesso. This step, it will help you to change the direction on the dance floor, and it will help you to have a more dynamic dance.
It's also called cha-cha, so if you hear it retrocesso or cha-cha, it's the same step.
Five, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, basic 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. The steps for you as a leader, I'm going to stay like this. I start with my left leg and I go directly back. Step. Here I also step, but I go a little bit diagonal, like step here with my heels, okay? And from this position, I'm going to step here, I begin to rotate, step again, and I change the direction, the line. Step forward, and close. One more time in this position, step back, step, step, change the line, go forward and close.
For the followers, the steps are going to look like this. I go towards and then I orientate my toes a bit diagonal on the second step. Then I do to the side together. Then I change again direction with my heel. Yeah, I orientate it. Another step and together. From here, let's do it again. Towards, orientate, cha, cha, change direction, backwards and together.
For you as a leader, you can count that move like cha-cha or 3 and 4. From this position, I will show you, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Or cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha, step, and close. Now let's do it with the body and the frame. I'm here and I go forward here. When I go with the right leg, I dissociate my body towards my left leg. When I begin to do the cha-cha, my body rotates towards my left. I rotate my body, and here I go. Forward with my chest, forward and close. One more time and step, I dissociate, step, I rotate my body towards my left, I rotate, I step and close.
For me as a follower, I do as Armand said, I also rotate my body when it comes to the upper part. So I walk and then on the second step I rotate towards my leg. I keep rotating. When I do the cha-cha, I keep rotating towards my left leg, back and together, and again, step, I rotate, I continue the rotation, again, back and marca.
Let's go on partner work. I'm here, I hug my partner and I go. I go back here, I turn my body, okay, and from this position, as in clockwise, it's important to hug a little bit more your partner. With the right arm, you pull a little bit towards you. Here, okay, I'm here, and from this position, my hand comes with my body. Cha, cha, and from this position, my chest goes forward. To be very clear, like forward, and close. One more time from this position. Step, cha, cha, and forward, and close.
In order to have this movement comfortable, it's very important for me as a lady to keep the contact and that little tension between our upper part. So when I'm here in connection with my leader, he's doing the step, but I follow. I stay very close to his body.
Some tips for you as a leader to do this move better, okay? I'm going to stay like this. It's important here, 1, 2, on 3, your body goes with your hand. Imagine that your right hand, it's your partner, okay? When I rotate my body towards my left, my hand comes with the body. Like here, my hand is in front of me and I go. The second tip for you, when you do the cha-cha move on 3 and 4, it's important to use it to rotate. It's not like step, step, cha-cha, and after I use this step to rotate my body. I use that cha-cha move. 1, 2.
Here Armand is traveling.
I step and I go.
Yeah, he's continuously walking. He's not staying in the same spot when he's doing the cha-cha.
And the third one, it's important when you change the direction to be very clear. I mean like this, step, step, cha-cha here, and this step, it's important to be a little bit bigger, like to be clear that you change the direction in forward, forward and close.
Tips for the followers. Don't be afraid to search and feel the legs of your partner, like in the thigh area. When we are doing the move, I search for the thighs of my partner. Yeah, I do the cha-cha. Again, I search for them. For the cha-cha part, however, it's important to not have to be too much between the leg of my partner and do cha-cha like this, yeah? Cha-cha, it's still facing each other, but our legs are not interfering, yeah? It's pam, 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 pam.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, basic 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to support us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and support our work. Bye bye!
Bye!